want my piece of the pie. You can look in my eyes and see what I've been through, that's what keeps me alive. No worries, no mercy, my blood is like gasoline. The whole what about to wake up now, it's moto life, no more sweet dreams. My brain like an M16, fully automatic money machine. Can't nobody stop me now, you can try, but I'm the Moto King. Tripping on what you tripping off, party time when I get involved. The word is, I'm a monster, my vice, you don't piss me off. Moto life is my life, I put in work, I put in work. That fam on my hands, I'm playing dirt, I'm playing dirt. 811 over everything, we put in work, we put in work. Hit the hills, I'm throwing whips, all in that dirt, all in that dirt. I got the world in my backpack, devil's blood in my gas tank. All I see is open road from coast to coast in that fast lane.
Here we go, I'm a super man, I'm a lazy boy, I'm a rider who rhymes a real milk these times. New lines of respect for the game, we lose and lives that are reap, that's insane. What we do ain't safe, what we lose ain't okay. I'm a rider for life and that's all I'll ever be, and that's okay with me. It's in my veins, in my blood, in my brain, you know it's good. Playing the game top rate with the fight the same like you wish that you could. Let a hater bother me, nope I never would. I built this with my hands and that family's help. Patchy.
Moto life is my life, I put in work, I put in work. That fam on my